Have you ever felt buried under an avalanche of credit repair letters? You know, the age of automation is here, and it's your ticket to efficiency and innovation. In Lesson 10 of our course, ChatGPT for Credit Repair Business Owners, we're diving into the world of automated letter generation. Now, step back for a minute and just imagine streamlining your fulfillment process with AI, boosting your productivity, and of course, boosting your consistency. That's really important. Okay, we're going to show you how to generate drafts effortlessly. ChatGPT will become your intelligent assistant, really just laying down the groundwork for your content. You'll be able to tailor letter content to your client's needs for effective communication. Your business will nail down and implement quality assurance, maintaining high standards without sacrificing speed. Most importantly, you'll be able to refine and optimize automation. You'll adapt and improve with feedback that enhance the results. Now, this sneak peek is just a taste of the transformative strategies waiting for you in Lesson 10. Automation is the future of credit repair, and it's more efficient and exhilarating than ever before. If you're watching this video on YouTube, do me a favor and like, subscribe, comment, or ask questions, okay? If you're on our website, join us in this journey with ChatGPT. Just click Enroll now to get started, and stay tuned for more previews where we'll explore advanced AI strategies to elevate your credit repair business to new heights. Don't miss out. Go ahead and enroll today, and we'll see you on the inside.